So this is the first video of the series Flutter Tutorials 2022. So in this video we're gonna create a basic Flutter application, Hello World. So for that, just create Flutter, create an app name that is YouTube Tuts. While this is completed, meanwhile let's go to this Flutter. If you have any issue with installation, you can message me that I will create an installation guide for Windows or Linux or Mac OS. To install, just go to flutter.dev, then follow here, and then installation. So you can just go to Flutter documentation and follow their guide for installation for Windows, Mac OS, Linux or Chrome. I have already installed Flutter 3.0 on my operating system. So all I have to do to create new application is that Flutter create. So follow this flutter.dev and this your OS version installation guide for creating Flutter project. So now that I have created Flutter in my application operating system, just go to Flutter YouTube and open that project. Now let me tell you a bit about Flutter file folder structure. So basically the most important file in Flutter is lib and material.dart. So we'll be doing all our programming coding part in here in lib. And another important file is pubspec.yaml, that we will be installing our dependencies here and also giving package name, package and image assets, path and asset name. So this is a basic file structure that folder installation provide. To run this, go to your terminal and run Flutter run. This will run our basic default application that Flutter installation provide. So there is multiple way of running your application, that is in your Chrome, Windows, Edge or in your mobile device. So here this will show available devices. Right now I have Windows. You can also connect your device and test while you develop your application. But for now I'm going to choose to Chrome. Also, if you have Android Studio, you can open Android Device Manager and virtual emulator. But I normally do on live device. But for showing just for this YouTube tutorial series, I'm gonna show you on Chrome. So basically, it's the same thing. So it will launch our Chrome application on Chrome. Seems it's gonna take a long. I'm gonna pause it. So alright. So when you run Flutter run command for first time, it will take a bit time. But after that it will be running smoothly on lesser time. So this is a basic view we get on Flutter installation. So let's change this and let's make our own view. So for that, go to lib, then main.dart, delete all the command. So let's learn coding by step by step. So most important thing is we have to import Flutter material.dart first. Notice this semicolon here because we need this semicolon as well. Now run void main, then run app, then we need semicolon here as well. Now material app, and inside material app we need title. This is app title that we defined, YouTube tutorial series. Now we need outside this home, then we need scaffold, this one. Now inside scaffold call app bar, we need app bar, and it will take this parameter app bar, then title. Now this is the title we see in our app bar. So text, YouTube Flutter tutorials. Now after the closing of app bar and before scaffold loading closing, we need body. Then in body we need column, and in column we need children. Now in children we can use text, and then let's call it hello world. So the thing you have to consider here is this semicolon is important while importing, and also in app bar and scaffold ending of this void main run app. This is important, and this comma is important for this format document. When you click format document in Flutter, it will automatically format your document code. So it's for that. So now our application is running, so we need to view changes. For that we can press here R, that will reload application on our emulator or device, or we can press Shift R will reload from beginning, that is from beginning of app, from splash screen, or close the app totally and open from 0. But here on R it will just reload, so we need only reload. So let's press hot reload. As you can see, there is a Flutter demo homepage from this app bar, text, title, text, and why is this showing? We don't have that in our code. There must be something wrong with this application. So that was a catch issue. So this is how you do hello world in a Flutter application. So this is our output file. In a browser there will be a catch issue when running. So to clear the previous data, you need to run Flutter clean, then run, then while it's cleaning. So after that, run Flutter run, then that application will be shown there. So thank you so much for watching.